In this video, I will show you how to calculate the average if the date is less than the specified date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some order details including the date and amount in these cells. Now I want to average the order amounts if the order date is less than the given date. For example, I want to average the order amounts if the date is less than 15th January 2024. To do that, we can use the Excel average if function. The average if function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet the given criteria. This function accepts three arguments: a cell range, a criteria, and an optional average range. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type average if followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells containing the order dates as the first argument. Since we want to find the dates less than the given date, type the less than sign in the double quotes. Let's append the cell containing the date to the less than sign using the ampersand character. Finally, we want to average the amount cells if the criteria is met. So let's select the amount cells as the third average range argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average of numbers if the date is less than the given date. To get the average if the date is less than or equal to the given date, all we need to do is to use the less than or equal to sign in the formula like this. We can also use the average if function instead of the average if function to calculate the average. The average if function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. Please note that the order of the arguments of the average if function is different from the average if function. Since we want to average the amount cells, I will select the range of the cells containing the amount as the first average range argument. We want to apply the criteria on the date cells, so I will select the date cell range as the second criteria range argument. Finally, I will type the criteria less than the given date as the third criteria argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average of values having dates less than the given date. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.